Hey guys, quick video for you, comparison the VSCode versus the PyCharm for the Python, which is actually better. So with the VSCode, it's lightweight, fast startup, responsive. It uses extensions for Python features. So that's like what is the big difference there. Now with the PyCharm on the other hand, it's heavier, especially the professional edition, and slower startup, can be resource intensive on even the big projects. Now for the feature on both of these, you need to install like extensions, the Django, Jupyter, Pylons for VS Code. Also, you can have built-in Git integration and highly customizable UI that you can like play around with it. Now, with the other hand, with PyCharm is out of the box, advanced refactoring, debugging, testing, database tools. Also, it got powerful code navigation and best for large-scale professional projects. So the ease of use is like you can learn both. VS Code is a little bit easier. Now the PyCharm got a like steeper learning curve. That's something that you have to be aware of. And a VS Code needs the Python extension. With the PyCharm, you have robust Python support. And now both are like free, and you have like professional edition that you had to like pay for. So that's something that you have to be aware of. So overall, VS Code, if you want speed and flexibility, you're a beginner or working on smaller projects, and you prefer, let's say, customizing your setup with extensions. On the other hand, with PyCharm, if you want to work with large-scale professional Python projects, you need advanced debugging, refactoring, and you don't mind a heavier IDE or paying for pro features. So that's like straight up the kind of like the surface level video that I want to make for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.